Have you ever held your urine because you were too busy, too tired, or there was no toilet around? It may seem harmless, just a few more minutes, right? But what happens inside your body when you keep holding it in might surprise you. Your bladder is designed to store urine until it's full, then send signals to your brain that it's time to go. But when you ignore that signal, your bladder begins to stretch beyond its normal limit. At first, it might just feel uncomfortable. Pressure builds, and the urge becomes stronger. But as you continue to hold it, that pressure starts affecting your entire urinary system. Over time, repeatedly holding your urine can weaken your bladder muscles. This can make it harder for your body to fully empty urine when you finally go, leaving some behind. And that's where the real problem begins. Leftover urine becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, increasing your risk of urinary tract infections. In more serious cases, the pressure can even affect your kidneys. Urine can start flowing backward, which may lead to kidney damage if it happens frequently. You might also begin to lose control over time. Holding it too often can confuse your body's signals, leading to sudden urges or even leakage. In extreme situations, although rare, the bladder can become overly stretched or even injured, causing severe pain and medical complications. Your body gives you signals for a reason. Ignoring them repeatedly can turn a simple habit into a serious health issue. So the next time you feel the urge, don't delay too long. Listen to your body, take a break, and go when you need to. Your health depends on it.